Aƙalla mutane 23 ne suka mutu yayin da wasu 108 suka jikkata sakamakon hare-haren bama-bamai da 'yan ta'adda suka kai birnin Maiduguri na jihar Borno a ranar Litinin ɗin da ta gabata. Kakakin rundunar 'yan sandan jihar Borno, Nahum Daso Kenneth, shi ya fitar da sanarwar a ranar Litinin 16 ga watan Maris shekarar 2026.
Following the unfortunate incidents that happened in the early hours of today's evening, at around 7 p.m. to between 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. when we recorded 3 suspected suicide bomb incidents that happened at Maiduguri Monday Market, post office area, and in front of University of Maiduguri Teaching Hospital.
Sanarwar ta bayyana cewa hararen sun faru ne a kasuwar Monday Market, kofar asibitin koyarwa na Jami'an Maiduguri da kuma yankin gadar sama na post office. Sanarwar ta ƙara da cewa jami'an tsaro sun gaggauta isa wuraren tare da killace su, inda jami'an sashin ganowa da kwace bama-bamai suka gudanar da bincike domin tabbatar da babu sauran barazana a wuraren. An garzaya da waɗanda suka jikkata zuwa asibiti domin samun kulawa, yayin da jami'an tsaro suka ƙara tsaurara matakan tsaro a Maiduguri da kewayenta domin hana sake faruwar irin wannan lamari. Idan za ku tuna, jihar Maiduguri na fama da hare-haren ƙungiyar Boko Haram in shekarar 2009.
Good evening. My name is ASP Nahum Kenneth Daso, the Police Public Relations Officer, Borno State Police Command. I'm here at Alansar Radio Station Maiduguri, where we want to join sensitization to members of the public following the unfortunate incidents that happened in the early hours of today's evening at around 7 p.m. to between 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. when we recorded 3 suspected suicide bomb incidents that happened at Maiduguri Monday Market, post office area, and in front of University of Maiduguri Teaching Hospital. The Commissioner of Police, Borno State Command, CP Nazir Abdulmajid, PSC, directed the Borno State Police Command EOD team to ensure they are on ground, in which they've commenced a sweeping operation, and no secondary device was found at the scene. So investigation is currently ongoing in that regard. However, we were also able to collaborate with other security agencies to ensure that the standard procedure operations are followed, to where the injured victims were taken to hospital. And unfortunately, we recorded some numbers of deaths, but the numbers of the casualties are yet to be ascertained, which we were going to provide to members of the public in due course. I want to take this period of time to draw the attention of members of the public to be mindful and be vigilant within this period of time. We understand that we are in a trying time and we've had a big loss, but nevertheless, we should ensure that we maintain vigilance and ensure that if we are going to crowded places, such as markets, schools, and our various worship centers, the police EOD team are going to ensure that we scan everybody who are going to enter these worship centers or large gatherings. We also want to draw the attention if you sight any suspicious objects, bags or nylons who are kept at isolated areas, please ensure that you report to us through our emergency contact. I also want to make the members of the public to understand that this, as of now, the situation is calm. Normalcy has been restored within these areas, and we are going to continue with our security operations, please. Thank you very much.